Welcome to Livewire. So, if you go to the Livewire, so now here as you can see, this is the official website of the Livewire. So, why you always use the Livewire? So, let's suppose if you are not going to use the JavaScript or any kind of JavaScript framework to fetch the dynamic content or to give the dynamic look to your website, or in simple words, if you are not going to refresh your page and you are going to give or to get the data from your database, then how can you do that? You can achieve this task or these tasks by using the Ajax, by using the JavaScript, by using any kind of JavaScript framework like React or React Native. But if you are not using the JavaScript or any kind of framework or the JS library, then you have another opportunity. So as you can see, this is the Livewire, the most productive way to build your next web applications. Powerful, dynamic front-end UIX without leaving PHP. That means if you are not going to leave the PHP, if you are not going to select the JavaScript, or if you are not going to write the code in the JavaScript, you need this one. Okay, so if you go to the documentations, so you have Laravel at least 10 versions or later version of the Laravel family. Okay, so now as you can see, I have the Laravel 11.0.7 version, which is the latest version of the Laravel family. Laravel just launched this version, I think, before few days ago. So while I'm recording this lecture, it's 17 March 2024. Okay, so we have the greater than version, fine. PHP version 8.3. So if I'm going to show you, if I show the PHP version, I'm saying PHP-V. As you can see, PHP 8.3.4 versions I have installed in my PC. I'm using the Laragon. If you are using the Zam Wham Blam, so it's similar to the Zam Wham Blam. Okay, so I have already fulfilling the requirements which is here mentioned. Then you have to use the Livewire. So how can you do that? So I'm going to go to here. I'm saying web, sorry, web.php. So this is the routes file. If I'm going to now I'm saying uh, welcome. So refresh the page, it's welcome. Okay, now if you open the terminal, so this is the terminal. Okay, so now you have to install the package of the Livewire. So I'm saying composer, and now I'm saying require, which one? Live wire, live wire. Just hit the enter button. Okay, now it's downloading the package Livewire, Livewire. 86 packages. So you have downloaded the Livewire version. So I'm saying PHP artisan make Livewire slash, oh sorry, I'm going to create the component here, Livewire, and component name is counter. So it's saying congratulations, you have created your first Laravel component. So when you hit the enter button, you have created the Laravel component. So if you go to the wire, as you can see, you have the counter, and if you go to the app Livewire, as you can see, you have the render file here. Now if I'm saying I'm going to create the uh, counter here, and now if someone click on the button, then we're gonna increment the counter. So let's suppose I'm saying create functions to increment this one. So we have created functions and another functions. Okay, for now, so increment public functions increment this dot plus plus. Okay, so if you go to the counter here, Okay, now I'm saying that this is I'm saying show the button. We're gonna show the button here, and here I'm saying wire click. Whenever someone click the button, so this is the syntax you have to write as it is equals to increment. Where is the increment? We have created the increment button. So now show the content like this. Which one? The one we have created. I don't know why my keyboard is not working. Let me off my. Okay. Okay. Now, if you go to the page, refresh the page, it's not there. Why? Because you have to add the live wire settings here. I'm saying add live wire style, and you have to add the live wire, which is the component, and the script. Now, if you go to the page and refresh the page, okay, so why it's not working? It's saying live wire only support one HTML element per component. Fine, because you have to use the div. Now you have to keep your content inside the div. So that's why it was not working. So if you click on this one, as you can see, it's incrementing without page refresh. Okay. So now, if you go to the counter here, you have to create as many method as you want. Since you are just adding or incrementing this variable, so let's suppose I'm saying I'm going to create another functions. So public functions decrement, and now I'm saying minus minus. So we have created another method here. So if you go to here, and now you have to add another decrement method which you have just created here. So wire click, so that means we are saying whenever someone click this button, the system automatically call these functions, and when the system call these functions, then as you can see, you are writing the scripting, or you are according to your code, you are just decrementing the value. So once again, go to the page, refresh the page, you have another button, plus plus, minus minus, as you can see, minus one, plus one. You can also add the logic here, if you are saying not greater than 0, then fine, so it's not greater than 0, that means minus value, plus value, minus, fine. So in this way you can use the live wire in your project. Make sure this is the render which renders this view or the components. This is the component, and you are using this component inside your welcome.plate.php, which is the by default file, comes with the Laravel 11 or Laravel versions.